Welcome to the first part of my pump foil board building series. In this video I will be taking you through the initial steps of creating my very first pump foil board. I've never built a board before, but with a background in design, I'm hoping those skills will come in handy. Let's dive into the process. First up, I started by creating a 3D model of the board. This step is crucial as it allows me to visualize the final product and make any necessary adjustments before moving forward. With the 3D model complete, I can now generate 2D templates and detailed construction drawings. Building this board, I switched from Fusion 360 to Onshape because it's better, it's free, and it's completely web-based. Next, I exported the 2D templates from the model. These templates are essential guides for the physical build. After printing and cutting out the templates, I used them to trace the outline onto an XPS foam sheet, which will serve as the core for the board. Using a utility knife designed for cutting insulation foam, I carefully cut out the traced outline. Precision here is key to ensure the board's shape is accurate. Cutting to size with the insulation foam knife was a real challenge. I would recommend a hot wire cutter. That would be much easier. I will buy one for the next time. It cuts more precisely and cleanly.
I really didn't expect that.
To refine the shape, I used a wood rasp to smooth and define the edges. With the outline cut, the next step is to prepare the board for the fin boxes. I mark the positions and then cut out the holes where the fin boxes will be installed later on. After cutting out the holes where the fin boxes will be installed later on, I mark the positions for the t-profiles, which will provide structural support for the foil. This step requires careful measurement to ensure everything aligns correctly. I bought these aluminum t-profiles at my local hardware store, but I'm sure you can get them also online. To create grooves for the t-profiles, I used a soldering iron that I had modified by flattening the tip. This allowed me to precisely melt the grooves into the foam without damaging the surrounding material. Those fin boxes I ordered online and they came from China. Next, I rounded the outer edges of the board using sandpaper. This step smooths out the sharp corners, giving the board a more finished look and improving its performance on the water. With the board shaped, it's time to install the t-profiles and fin boxes. I mixed epoxy resin with cotton flock to create a thick adhesive paste. After applying the epoxy mixture, I inserted the t-profiles and fin boxes into the prepared slots. With the T-profiles and fin boxes in place, I reinforced the installation with fiberglass and also filled any gaps with the leftover epoxy mixture. Finally, I applied weight to ensure everything stayed in place while the epoxy cured. And that's it with the first part of this build series. So far it's been a challenging but rewarding experience. In the next video we will continue with the next steps, so stay tuned. If you have any questions or tips, drop them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along with the rest of this build. Bye bye and see you soon.